If you are trying to make money with the Amazon affiliate links and you are not using Instagram Reels for free traffic, you are missing out on one of the easiest way to get sales. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a Reels that get 100, even thousands of views for free, and how you can turn those views into clicks on your Amazon links without spending single dollar on ads and without a big following and without showing your face. I'll break it down step by step, including what product actually sell on Reels, how to make your videos scroll stopping, and the exact place to put your affiliate links so people actually click. If you follow this method, Instagram becomes your free traffic machine for Amazon affiliate sales. I have been doing this business for over 6 years and I'm making over $10,000 per month with Amazon affiliate marketing program using free traffic from different social media platforms. In this video, I'll show you how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on Instagram Reels using free traffic. Make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions with this business, okay? And just last year, guys, this is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard, and just last year I have made $176,281. Okay, this is my summary here, my commissions and my bounties over here. Okay, so for people who want to start making money with the Amazon affiliate marketing program using Instagram, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. So here is what you will do. It's super easy and simple. Just go to Google and search for Amazon Associates. Click on the first link like this. It's gonna take you to this page over here. Click on sign up like this. And what you will do next, you will click on create your Amazon account. And as you guys can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. You just need to follow a few steps. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Anyone can sign up and you can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. Okay, once you finish, you should have an account like this one, and this will be your Amazon affiliate account dashboard. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good product that you will promote on Instagram Reels. You guys need to promote product that has high demand. You need to promote product that solve problems for people. You cannot promote product that you like, or you will keep guessing, maybe we can try this one, or maybe let me promote this one. This you will make zero commissions if you are working like this. You guys need to choose product that has high demand, that people are already paying for on Amazon, and you need to promote products that solve problems for people. Okay, step number two, pay close attention. So here is what you will do next, guys. Okay, you will go to Amazon. Okay, go to your amazon.com website, open Amazon like this, and click here on the search. I'll share with you guys now one of my profitable product that I'm promoting on Instagram Reels. Okay, a product that solves a big problem that millions of people every single day they are searching for solutions for this problem. Okay, pay close attention. Click on the search bar of Amazon and search for hair loss. Okay, search for this product. Okay, so pay close attention, please. You will scroll down and you will find here a lot of products that solve this problem for those people. Okay, and as you guys can see that those products are already working. Look at this one, for example. Okay, this one here, Natureful. Okay, so these products, guys, solve a big problem that millions of people have. Okay, look at this one, for example. Like this products, guys, just in the past month this product got over 100,000 sales, meaning that this product has high demand, it solves a big problem, and people are already paying for on Amazon. So this is the kind of product that you need to promote. Okay, always, if you want to promote your Amazon affiliate products, choose product that got at least over 3,000 sales in the past month. Okay, so for example, you guys can see this one for women's. We have also this product for men to fix hair loss. Okay, so meaning that those products, they are working and they are good products. So what you will do next, guys, you will click on this product. For example, let's choose this one. I will click on this one like this. Just click on the product that you want to promote and you will be directly in this product page. So what you will do next, you need a video that you will use to promote this products on Instagram Reels. Okay, so here is what you will do. You will copy the product title. Copy this. I will copy just this part. Copy this product title. Pay close attention, please. Go to TikTok. Okay, go and open your TikTok account. It's for free. Click on the search bar of TikTok and search for this product. Okay, put the name of the products here. Click on search and here you go. You will find here a lot of people who already paid for these products and they are sharing their experience with these products. Okay, so what you will do next for you as an Amazon affiliate marketer is you need to choose good videos. Okay, and you are using just free traffic. So what you will do is you need to choose at least, you need to test at least up to 5 videos and see which video is working for you, which video is getting views, double what's working and avoid what's not working, and you will scale this correctly and you can make commissions. Okay, so for me as an example, I'm going to choose this video here. So I will click on this video. You guys can see this customer is talking about his experience with this product. He is happy with the results, which is good. So what you will do, double click on the video and click on download video. This video will be this video will be downloaded into your laptop. What you will do next, you will go to Canva. Go and open canva.com. Of course, it's for free. This will be your homepage. You just need to sign up using your email address. Click here on video and scroll here and you should see Instagram Reel. Click on Instagram Reel like this. It's gonna take you to this page. What you will do, you will click here on upload and click on upload file and upload your video. Open like this. Click on your video and your video will be over here like this. So what you will do next, guys, you will click here, pay close attention, click on text, click on add sub hidden like this and put here link in, right link in bio. Okay, like this, because we will put our Amazon affiliate link in our bio. Okay, it's looking good. Link in bio, which is really good. So this one, it's looking good. What you will do next, let me put this for the full video and here you go, your video is ready. So why we put this, because people who will watch this video, they will see this. Okay, link in bio, they will go and check our Instagram bio, they will find our Amazon affiliate link so they can buy the products. So what we will do next, the video is done, click on share and click on download and click again on download and this video will be downloaded into your laptop. You will go to Instagram. Go guys and open an Instagram page, okay, and upload your video. Okay, always guys, in your Instagram description, give credit to this TikTok creator that you are using his videos. Okay, so like this, you will put you will promote your Amazon affiliate links on Instagram Reels in safe way. Always mention TikTok, the TikTok creator name in your Instagram description. Okay, you can put credit TikTok creator and put the name of the TikTok creator that you are using his videos. Okay, it's easy. So upload your short video and what you will do next, you need to put your affiliate link in your bio. You will go back to this Amazon product page, click here on get link to get your Amazon affiliate link. This is your Amazon affiliate link. Copy this link and you can put this link in your Instagram bio. Okay, but guys, but if you want to promote a lot of products, you need to create a landing page or an affiliate website, and inside your affiliate website you will put all the product that you want to promote on Instagram Reels. Okay, and you will put your affiliate website link in your bio, and like this, if people click on your website link, they will check your website, they will find all the product that you are promoting and they can choose the product that they want to buy. So like this, you can promote a lot of products and you can create an affiliate website for free. It's for free. You can go to YouTube, just search for how to create an affiliate website for free. You will have a lot of videos that's explaining how to do it. Or you can go to Canva and create just a landing page. It's for free, and add your product inside your landing page. That's it. That's exactly how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on Instagram Reels. I shared with you guys how you can start, which products are working, how you can choose product that you need to choose product that solve problems, how we can get free traffic, how we can get the videos. I shared with you almost everything, so you just need to start. For people also who want to take this business seriously, I have created step-by-step affiliate marketing course that is teaching you everything about Amazon affiliate program, how we can start from scratch, how we can create faceless content without showing your face, without using your voice, completely just by using free AI tools. And you will also get my support, me and my team. We will follow up with you until you understand everything. Okay? If you are interested, you want to take this seriously, I have been doing this business for over 6 years. I'm not using just Instagram Reels, I'm using also long YouTube videos and short videos and Pinterest and more, okay? You want to take it seriously, you will find my email address in my video's description. Feel free to reach out to me and I will send you all the details. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video because I will still share a lot of new methods. Subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.